Hello, I'm Alexander from Trading Price Action on Futures.com. It's March the 22nd of 2015, and this is the recap for the trading for the whole trading week. I've been working on the online video course, and I haven't got much time to do the daily videos. It has been difficult on the crude oil. Volume was a bit on the low side. And rollover day, crude inventories and FOMC were on the same day, and people were waiting for the news. The moves were not doing what it normally does on crude. I have gave back almost all my gains from the first week of March to the market on the second trading week. This influenced my decisions for this week. So let's take a look at the chart. Trading week begins on the 16th, I think. Yes. Okay, on Monday we were still trading the April contract. We could identify resistance support level. Price broke it. Was just a standard setup, pulled back to it, gave us the entry. Entry was at 43.19. Because of the bad trading week before this week, I was a little bit scary. It influenced my whole trading for this week. Moved my stop down to break even after I think it was 12 ticks in profit. Price hesitated. Finally, took my stop out. Took me out at break even, just to see price do exactly what I was thinking it was going to do. So that was the only good setup for that for the day. Let's move on to the next day. I think no trades or one trade exactly. Let's look at this. Price was in a downtrend with a resistance level back up. It even pulled back to the overnight resistance area. Price couldn't hold it. It could not hold it. Price pulled. Sorry, I miss a support level right here. You could see that price made an attempt up, broke price up, and then again you could see that this was our valid support area. Price then could not hold this established area right here. Broke this one and broke the other one. Price broke down retested it. It was a small retest. Maybe the trade was a little bit early, but it was a valid setup. Price decided to shake me out of the trade, and then eventually got down. Entry was at 21, so it was at a 60 tick loss per contract. So 14 minus 48 ticks for that setup. Minus 48 ticks. Then no trade for on that day. Next trading day, it was the crude oil. It was Newsday, FOMC, and crude oil inventories. Not a good. Let's put it this way. I think we were already trading the May contract, but it doesn't. Volume was divided, so I can basically explain what price was doing on the day. We didn't trade. There was no trade setup. Price was ranging between 90 ticks, so no good day to take any kind of trade. This was basically the range for the day. So people were just waiting for the FOMC, and there was some movement on crude oil inventories, but no good day to take any kind of trade. Only after FOMC you could see a good setup right here, where we got the break, the pullback to our support level, and then just a big move up. For the next FOMC announcement, I want to open the room a little bit later and trade that news event. This is just normal price behavior for that day. So no, it is just last time to look at that day. Let's move on. Let's clean up the chart. Let's go to the next. Let's load the next contract. There it is. Let's look at this. On Tuesday, we only took one trade. Price was in a downtrend. Let's mark the resistance area that was in place. Price tested the resistance, the resistance level 2 times. You could see, and then the break of the resistance level, turning it into a support level. We got the pullback. We got the valid setup. And there was the trade. Took one off at 15, and then the last 2 contracts were taking off at at break even or plus one tick. So if you could hold on to this, you had to put your stop below this this higher low. There were some re-entries possible. I think there was one sitting here, and then one just before the breakout, but didn't trade it. That was the only trade for Tuesday. Let's move on to Friday. On Friday, good trading day. Let's look at this. There were two levels in place. The upper level, the resistance level, and the support level. Price was trading below the support level when the trading room was opened. Price then broke the resistance level back up, pulled back to it, gave us the valid entry, took eventually. I had my first target sitting at 15 ticks, my second at 13, and my last at 40 ticks, but decided to take two contracts off at 15 when I was in the trade, and the last contract went out at 38. A very good move up. Only area to get in this move was right at the spot where we got in. So that was a trade of plus 68 ticks. Then next trade, price went up, formed our support area. So we basically have two touches of the support area. Price then formed a minor resistance level. Price formed then a minor support area. Price broke it down, pulled back to it, gave us the entry for the short setup. Took two contracts off at 15 ticks, and the last contract was taken out at BA, and that was basically the trading day. That's plus 31 ticks. Outcome, so daily outcome was 99 ticks for this day. So some of the losses that I had last week gained it back in the last two trading days, despite the bad start of the trading week. Let's hope. I think volume is back again. Price is trading normally again. Let's take a look at the totals for the for the trading room for the month of March. As you can see, net P&L 336 bucks. My win percentage came down to 46. So that trading week hurt the performance of the month of March. But that's just trading. And that is basically it. let's hope that the let's hope for better price action. The moves were there, but price was just not doing what it supposed to do. So if you like this, just subscribe and take a look at the website. We'll see you back tomorrow.